Hi guys, I'm Vagisha and today I have with me the latest launch from K Beauty. I hope you guys already know by now that I am a big fan of K Beauty, and this time the product that they've launched is just amazing. It's like out of the world. It is a product that everybody out there should have. You should try it, and it is something spectacular. Yes, I'm talking about the K Beauty Loose Powder, the illuminating powder, and the entire range which I am going to show you today. I have with me the entire range, all the different colors. I'll swatch them all out for you. I'll show you the entire thing. Also, I'm going to show you how to actually use colored loose powder on your face for that beautiful flawless look. So basically what you do with loose powder is you use it on your face to highlight certain areas, to give it a more illuminated, to give your face a more airbrushed look. This entire technique is called baking, not like baking a cake, but like literally baking your makeup. So what you do is you apply the loose powder under your eyes and then you leave it there for a good 10-15 minutes, and basically the heat from your body, the heat from your skin, it heats up the powder and it helps it getting it absorbed inside the skin. And then after about 10 minutes you just brush it off using a very light brush. That is it. That's the entire technique. I know people think baking makeup is like a huge difficult sort of a thing. It's something we can do, it's something only professional makeup artists can do, but it is not like that. Baking your face is super easy, and you're going to learn that today in this video, and you're going to see the entire collection of K Beauty loose powders. So just keep watching. So this is the entire collection, the new launch from the K Beauty brand. As I told you, this collection has three lovely products. They are all loose powders. There are three variants. One is your K Beauty illuminating powder, which comes in classic gold. This is like a highlighter. You could use it to highlight your features. Then we have the K Beauty setting powder, which comes in various shades. You can actually choose the shade that actually matches your skin tone. And then lastly, there is the K Beauty translucent powder, which is one shade for all skin tones, which is basically for setting your makeup, keeping it in place. So these are the three products. They as you can see, there are several shades here, and you can pick the shade in the loose powder that matches your skin tone. The first one is vanilla. The second shade in this range is the color banana. The third one, as you can see, is almond. The fourth one is latte, which is also my shade, which suits my skin tone. The fifth one is pecan. The sixth shade in this collection is called olive. The seventh shade is called toffee. As you can see, there are amazing shades for all skin tones. The last one is caramel. Total 8 shades to suit every kind of skin tone. These powders are super good, super nice. This is the translucent powder. It will give an HD finish to your makeup. It makes your skin look poreless. It can be easily applied over all other makeup products. And this, as you know, is the illuminating loose powder. It's really nice. It does not give you a greasy look. It has oil absorption properties. It's a great adhesion, and multiple coats can give you high impact shine. So now that you have seen the entire range of this product, what I want to show is I want to use the one shade that is suitable for my skin. I want to put it on my face and show you how to actually do this baking thing. And I've already, as you can see, I've already done my base. I've just applied my foundation and a little bit of concealer under the eyes, and I've done my eyes. And I am now going to use this product that you are waiting for me to show you. This is the K Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. It, as you already know, is enriched with avocado and mango butter. I am using the shade Latte. Okay, so let's get started. Like I said, this technique is done when your base is already done. Okay, so you've already put on your primer, which I've done. Then you've put on your concealer, which I've done, and then you put on your foundation, which I have done. Then you pick out the powder of your shade, the one that matches your skin tone, the loose setting powder, and this is one which matches my skin tone. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna take a sponge. It's already a wet sponge. Make sure that you wet it correctly. That is one thing that's like a tip for you. You should make sure that it's properly, it's moist, and that it does not have any water. It's like totally moist, but it does not have any residual water in it, or whatever it is that you're using. Just make sure it's perfectly done. Now I'm taking this on my sponge. There it is, perfect. I have the product here. I'm gonna use a mirror. Okay. So now what you do is you take it on the sponge and you apply it below your eyes. As simple as that. There's literally nothing, no rocket science in this. There it is, it's done. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more for my other eye. One good tip about baking is that make sure that your skin is not dry. So when you start this process, like when you start the entire makeup, make sure you moisturize like really well, because people like me who have dry skin might find that baking kind of cracks the skin, it makes it look patchy. But then this is not the kind of product that will ever do anything like that, because this is already enriched with mango. It is just one awesome product, so you don't even need to worry about anything at all. Okay, so I have applied that. As you can see, it is blending so well into my skin already, but I have to leave it on for a few minutes. Also, at this point when you apply this, one thing you could keep in mind is that more is less. So you could actually go overboard right now. You would actually apply a little more, because you're gonna brush it off anyways. The amount that your skin requires, it's gonna take it, and the rest of it is gonna go away anyway. So I'm gonna go overboard right now. I'm gonna apply another very thin layer of this loose powder on my face using my sponge, as you just watch. Yep, there it is. So now when you've already applied it, we've got to wait to let it settle down. And meanwhile, you could do, like, if you're in the process of doing your makeup, you could just do the eyes, or you could just sit and relax. And I'm just gonna sit and relax. So guys, it's been a few minutes that I've let the powder sit on my face and get baked up naturally. Now I'm gonna use a brush and I'm gonna just dust it off very lightly without spreading it all over my clothes. So that's how you do it. It is that simple, see? So these loose powders, they are so soft. They are literally so blendable that, as you can see, I've already taken it off. The amount that was required has already been, absorbed by my skin. And taking it off, as in brushing it off, is the simplest thing that you could ever do. Just gently brush it off. And it's done, guys. This is literally simpler than I had even imagined, because these powders are already colored and they already match your skin tone. So you literally don't have to think about anything. You just like do this and you do this and you're done. You are simply done, and your makeup looks absolutely flawless. It stays longer. So guys, the baking is done. The dressing is also done. I've put in a little bit of blush on my cheeks just to add that little bit of color, because that's what you do after you bake your cakes or your cupcakes. You dress them up, don't you? So moving on, my next step is gonna be I'm gonna use this lovely translucent powder to basically keep my makeup in place. You already know that this is great product to give your makeup that HD finish, to make it last longer and to keep it in place. And this is one powder which is just amazing. I mean, it's just too good. So let's just quickly move on. Alright, so I have with me a powder brush here. I'm gonna just take a little bit of this white translucent powder on the brush. That what you do is you brush it off. You don't want any extra of it on your face, so you just brush off the extra. And then just the little part of it, you take it and you apply it all over your makeup without worrying about anything at all. So I have applied the setting powder all over my face. My makeup is looking just on point, just the way I like it. Very natural, very basic, and yet so very high definition. I am completely impressed by Kay Beauty products. You already know that by now. I'm now moving on to the last and the final product in this range, which is the illuminating powder. You could actually do this step before the setting powder also, but I like to keep my highlight right at the end of the entire makeup thing. It's just the way I like to do it. It's completely up to you. You could actually use it before the setting powder as well. Wow. I'm using this highlighting fan tip brush for this highlight. I'm gonna take a little bit of it because you know that I am a little scared of highlighting, but because this product is so good, I just cannot not do it. Wow, this is really nice. I mean, one single swipe and your makeup game just goes up to the next level. Wow, I think I love this the most. So guys, now that I have all of these three products on my face, I hope you could see the difference. I hope that this light is literally making the highlighter pop out. I'm not sure whether it is. If not, you're just gonna have to trust me when I tell you this, that these products are just wow. They are out of the world. I am always very impressed by Kay Beauty products. I'm always very happy that a brand like this is, it's actually an Indian brand that's doing such wonders, and it's a premium brand, and yet it is something that all of us can actually afford. I'm super happy with that, and I'm super happy with the performance of this product. Tell me, what do you think about this look? Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed everything that you saw today, the entire range, the entire baking process, and overall the entire makeup look that I was able to put together for you. Thanks for watching. As I say, always do keep watching. Share this video with your friends. Leave your comments in the comments below. Bye bye. Take care.